Once again, good morning. This day is made more colorful by the presence of a person who is an achiever in his own way. He is with us today to share some stories as we celebrate World Friendship Day. He is a doctor who graduated from the University of Santo Tomas, a valedictorian from elementary to high school. Wow! Sabi ng mga nandun, wow daw. Ulitin ko. A valedictorian from elementary to high school. Wow! Nakakaingit, di ba? Makikilala nyo siya later. Hintayin nyo munang introduce ko siya para makita nyo kung sino siya, okay? A valedictorian from elementary to high school and became the health officer of the city of Tarlac for almost 14 years. He committed himself in serving the public through different programs that promoted the health of the people. This person is a simple man, a loving husband to Maria Dolores Enriquez Aquipel, and a supportive father to his 5 kids. Being family-oriented also made him passionate in serving the people of the city on his capacity as a physician and as a public servant. He is with us today to inspire us to be friendlier, to do our best, to reach out to our brothers and sisters out there who need us most. His stories will make us feel that we are not alone. There are people around who are willing to make this place a better place to live in. People all over the world, let us welcome Dr. J of Tarlac City, Dr. Jerome Hilario Alapena, our guest speaker for today.
Thank you very much for a very wonderful introduction, Madam Leia. To our school president, Madam Levita Talon, dear parents, members of the faculty, ladies and gentlemen, a pleasant morning to all of you. I wish to extend my warmest regards in your World Friendship Celebration. From the title itself, it is clearly evident that you are commemorating the camaraderie that exists among nations, which is the reason why peace and harmony continue to reign in most parts of the world. You are trying to depict in vivid fashion the diverse cultures and traditions of different countries through the costumes, songs, and dances that you have prepared for this program. By way of your colorful celebration, you give the audience an overview and offhand involvement in the varied ways of life of several countries. You also give honor and pride to the countries that you represent through the song and dance numbers that each level has come up with. You are putting emphasis on the importance of unity, friendship among nations in order to achieve lasting peace and worldwide progress. For my part, my many travels across the world and in some part of the country, particularly in Sri Lanka, Singapore, Thailand, and Hong Kong, has given me a glimpse of the various customs and practices that each nation conforms to. This is somewhat similar to the different kinds of problems and challenges that I have encountered in my journey as a public servant in our beloved city. I was able to personally experience the ups and downs in the world of politics as a long-time city health officer and city administrator. It is true that we don't gain permanent friends in politics, for their allegiance likewise change with every transition in the seat of authority. I myself was a victim of heartless politicians who has shown abuse of power and exercised misuse of public funds for their own personal gains. Now is the time to change the awful image that local politics was known for. It is time to change our corrupt political system for the betterment of our city and our fellow Tarlaceños, especially our children. Napaka-importante po na baguhin na ang sistema ng pangungobyerno, lalong-lalo na po dito sa ating mahal na syudad, para po sa kapakanan ng mga susunod na henerasyon. My foremost desire in running for mayor is to cleanse our city government from all the stains of corruption and misdemeanor. I would like to run a city government that is surrounded by competent and honest individuals whose only intention is to serve the public and find means to elevate the city into greater heights. Let us start to foster unity, peace, harmony, and friendship from within our city so that it may eventually translate into a global scale. With our concerted efforts and with our undying support, we can make this possible, my dear parents. Join me in my fight against corruption, in advocating change, pagbabago, in restoring good governance, and promoting progress in our city. Muli po, aking pong dalangin na sana po magbigkis-bigkis tayo para po sa tunay na pagbabago dito po sa ating syudad, para na rin po sa ating mga anak. Muli po, maraming salamat po sa pagkakataong binigay sa akin ng Scholastica Academy sa pangunguna po ng ating presidente, si Madam Levita Lea Talon. Sa inyo po mga magulang, students, teachers, it's an honor to be here this morning with you. Maraming salamat po. To God be the glory.